Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy and I have a little yarn unboxing, unveiling, unbagging haul review. All of the above. So yeah, been a busy day and I've finally got home to find this lovely big parcel waiting for me. So I've not used this company before, so this is a first. And I'm looking forward to this because it's all new yarns to me. You know, not stuff I've had before. I've heard of, obviously, but gosh, it's a bit well wrapped. Mind you, I'd complain if it wasn't. So let me just, well, I've got no space. Need to move some stuff. Let's get that. Let's just break in. Just do it. Just break in. Right. So. Oh, wrapped it within a wrapper. So is that my... No, I thought that might be a delivery note, but it's not. Oh, have to be strong to get in this. So let's move that over there a second, because there's two inner bags. There's one. I'll put my water over. Luckily it was done up. And, oh, that's pretty. Now, I ordered... Right, there's nothing else in the bag. No delivery note, no nothing, no. Okay. So, this is a company called Marriners, and people have asked me in the past from the UK, have you ever ordered from Marriners before? And I'd say no, and they said, well, you should, they're really good. They have some lovely yarns at Marriners, so I always say, oh wait, I will one day, you know, I'll get around to it. And I often see, because I belong to their Facebook group, some really beautiful yarns, especially these ones that I've seen rather a lot. And it's baby soft mosaic yarn, and they have some absolutely phenomenal colours in this one. So I've often seen it and thought, you know what, I really ought to order it, and up until now I haven't. And I can't find, you think I'd have thought of this, I can't find my light, my neck light. It was here earlier, so I can't really read the yarn bands until I find it. Well, I think I need to just pause it for a second and find my neck light, and I'll be back. I don't know how many of you might have been shouting out at that point. It's actually around your neck, Tracy. Can you believe that? Oh, I think I need an early night, guys. Been very busy lately, that's all I could. And my hair was covering it, and my hair being pink, it was hiding it very well. So anyway, at least I didn't waste hours searching for it somewhere. I did tidy up a little bit though, so that was one good thing. So let's have a little look, shall we? I can't believe that. That'll go in one of my blooper reels. We always say I should do a blooper reel of all my little bloopers. But anyway, so this is Marriners. And they've been around a long time. This is my first ever order, and it's arrived nice and quickly. I'd say less than a week, really. So that's not too bad at all, is it? Now this is 100 grams of DK, which is a 3-weight yarn over the other side of the pond. And this is the shade 1201, 100% acrylic, 300 meters, so not bad at all. And I got a couple of those to try. They do actually have some really beautiful peach colour and lots of other colours. But I just wanted to get a little sample of everything, see what it was like, and then I may go back for seconds, thirds and all that sort of stuff. But this feels gorgeous. This actually does feel so soft. It's beautiful. Really is lovely yarn. So, isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeousness. So I can't see too much in the way of washing instructions, but they've got one of these. So that obviously, if you've got one of the, well, most phones do it now without a reader, but just takes you probably to their Marriners website. I'll put a link to it in the description box should you would like to have a little look and see if they ship to your liking. But I'm not sure where they came from, Marriners. If it was the same, if it was the UK, I'm not sure. This is the first I've ever used, and I wanted to see what the yarns were like before I kind of got heavily involved with them, but I like what I see so far. This is just gorgeous. Really like, you know me and blues, I do love a blue. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description box to their website. I need to drink this before it gets cold. I certainly needed it. Oh, the dust that I've been dealing with on my house move. So then I decided to give this one a try, and I wanted to get this because, take it away from my fan, making a humming noise. A little while ago I had the Robin paint box, and I made the circle in the sand square with it. It was beautiful. I've got quite a bit of it. I say quite a bit, sadly not as much as I'd like, and the company have ceased trading, sadly, so it's hard to find. But this I thought looked just like it. But this is a super chunky, so super bulky across the pond. But look at those colours, aren't they just dreamy? It's exactly the same as the circle in the sand colours. You know, the paint box yarn that I used for that. I'll put a link at the end of this video to that square. I made an Easter blanket with it, but aren't these just dreamy colours for Easter? And I'm just trying to think whether these are the same. Well, yeah, they are. So I've got 5. I ordered 5 of these. So nice amount to make a project with. So let's get one ball and show you what it's all about. I'd like you to be able to see this rather than just look at the top of my head, but it's a bit of a strange way to get it on. So this is Mermaid. Marriners Mermaid, super chunky. Beautiful. Can't believe how beautiful that is. And the shade is 233. And let me see what I can find on this yarn band. It is 100% acrylic and super chunky yarn, approximately 80 meters, 87 yards, 100 grams. So I reckon roughly that's about par for the course of most of the super chunkies that I've had in the past for lengthwise. So I also wanted to try these, and this is called Cozy Toes 4-ply sock yarn. I won't be making a sock with it, but I just decided I really liked the look of this. It feels lovely. Feels absolutely beautiful. Doesn't that look dreamy? Doesn't it look dreamy? You know, I'm kind of into these pinks and dark mauves and stuff. Remember the cabaret I got a bit excited about? I ordered 1.5 tons of it. So yes, this is 4-ply yarn. So across the pond, you would call this sport weight. Sorry, I just need to finish my tea. My Crochet Rocks mug, what Linda kindly sent me. I do love it. So this shade is 2299. And, oh, gurgling. And, let me see, oh, they put it in really faint lettering. Let me see, even with the light on, I don't try and superpower the light. 75% merino wool and 25% nylon. There's 400 meters or 437 yards. 100%. What does that say? Net au standard condition in accordance with British standards. Don't normally see that. Anything else on here? No. Big fat zilch on every other aspect on the yarn band. I think that's it though, isn't it? But isn't it gorgeous? I absolutely love that. It's so dreamy. It's soft. That's beautiful. So that's my first bag out of the way. So far, so good. That is beautiful. Look, it just like, do you know, it reminds me of when you're just going to tuck into an ice cream sundae or a swirly ice cream. It's just beautiful. And these, wow, just love these so much. All those colours are just beautiful. And if you don't remember that yarn that I'm talking about, I have some on my shelf, and if you just bear with me a second, I'll show it to you. So that was the yarn that I made that blanket with, Circle in the Sand blanket, and this is the Robin paint box. I did give quite a bit of this away. Kind of kicking myself now because you can't get hold of it anymore. But if you look, it is very similar, isn't it? Just fatter. So it would be worth seeing if they do a DK 3-weight version of this beautiful just love that. And this, oh, dreamy. They've got some amazing colours of this. I definitely am going to be ordering some more, that is absolutely guaranteed. So let's put that one down there because I have another bag to open. But this, it's like they've given me a bag of girly yarns. They give me a bag of, you know, kind of more serious yarn. So we're going into the serious bag. Oh wow. Oh, we've got a little colour thingy, look. Sent me a colour swatch. It's got a little, like, little tassel, like fluffs. So yeah, that's cool, isn't it? So I can see all of the colours of all of the yarns. That's brilliant. I like that. So what's this? Shoresdirect.com. Well, that's just furnishings and stuff. So we'll put that there. Don't need to see that for a minute. Okay, so this one is Vista Super Chunky Mariners Vista. So this is Vista, and there's about 3 of these, I believe. There's another one there, I think. They're all the same. Is it the same colour? Let's have a look. Let's get in, shall we? This is 1305, and this one is 1305. I bet this one is 1305. So Vista Super Chunky then. So that's a bulky 6, I think. Bulky. 5 is just our chunky. So yeah, I think so. 100% acrylic. 80 metres, 87 yards. And I don't normally do such chunky yarn, but this is lovely. I really like this. I've got a feeling I'm going to be making some stuff for the garden from it. Like I did last year when I made the garden chairs. I think I might be doing something very similar to that. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. A little while ago, I started to make a sparkly wrap. And I used the Cabaret. Said I wasn't sure whether I should have used it because I was using that blue Cabaret yarn in Lagoon, which has some light blues and some mid blues and some very dark beautiful blues, along with the black sparkly. So they've kind of offset. The dark really like offset it, looked really nice. But I wasn't really sure about it, and I was going to use this other yarn that I'd got from Hobbycraft at some point, and it was black with a very, very shiny green thread. And I was toying with the idea of undoing it. Definitely going to be undoing it now because this has just floated my boat. Wow, look at that. I love blue. I love blue so much, and look at that. That's just dreamy to me. I absolutely love this. This is Mariners Sparkle DK in a 100 gram ball. Oh, I'm in love with this yarn. And the shade is 1601. I've got learnt now that it's always upside down, so I turn it. 93.2. How precise is that? 93.2% acrylic and 6.8% polyester. How bizarre. And, try not to blind you, 300 metres, 328 yards. Isn't that just beautiful? That's going to be the wrap. That will be the wrap. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I have to say, Mariners have been a massive hit. Massive, massive hit. Loving everything so far. So this is my last yarn, and I have 5 of them. I thought I wanted to give this a try. It looked a bit intriguing, and I thought, you know, I gave it a try to the tune of 5 skeins. So this, wow, I like it. This is a 3-weight DK across the pond, Mariners Hermitage, and I just really liked it. I don't know why, there's something about it that just caught my eye, and I thought, you know what, I like that. I might get a bit of that, and perhaps that's what I was planning all along, to do something in the garden. I don't know, but it's just gorgeous. It's so soft. It is shade 1732. Turn it up the other way. We've got 100% acrylic DK, which is 300 meters, 3 to 8 yards, 100 gram ball. But wow, look, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I really like that. Doesn't that seem like tweedy tartan sort of thing? Wonder what that comes up like when you just do plain. Oh, I mean, it's really nice. Do you know what I have to say? Not one yarn is a dud. Normally when you order stuff, there's always one you think, I won't get that again. But I have to say, it's gorgeous, and I know I'm going to be getting more of this. And I know I'll probably be getting more of this. And I know for a fact I'll end up with more of this. And so definitely, probably I'll ton more of this. Wow, they have other colours too. Can you believe it? The sun has just come out really, really brightly. Do you see the difference? It's kind of radiating through the window a little bit. Shouldn't complain. It's been a bit dreary all week. Luckily, it didn't rain on me too much while I had to do all the closing down of house, because a lot of you may know I'm actually moving house. Well, I've moved in here ages ago, but I've obviously got to clear the house out. It's finally going tomorrow, so I shall go over there with my camera and do a farewell video to Stubbs Manor. And yeah, that's fun. It's almost empty now, but wow, this is gorgeous. I wish I'd got more of this. Well, I dare say I will, if I can find a spot for it. Well, I haven't done any crocheting for a few days with all the moving, and now all I want to do is pick up hook and needles and everything else and get stuck in, especially this one. So I hope you like it. That's Marriners. I will pop in the description box, and maybe I'll do a comment and put it as pin it to the top, and then you can all see the website for Marriners if you want to just get on there and give them a go. This is a fraction of the stuff they do, but wow, I'm very pleased. Big smiles. Thanks for watching, everyone. So stay safe, take care, and keep watching, because there's going to be some winners videos soon. Bye for now, everyone.